अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। उम्मीद है कि मेन सारी यम ते पन्ने स्कूल बच्चे आसन सारी आसन ठीक। आज सब्जेक्ट जियोग्राफी क्लास 6 चैप्टर नंबर 6 इस पे ओतर तमिक क्वेश्चन रोदमत तम करो इंशाल्लाह आज ये वीडियो लेक्चर्स में करो कोशिश तमन हम जवाब देनस। गुड बच्चों पेज नंबर पेज नंबर 46 पे पेज नंबर क्लास 6 जियोग्राफी तम क्वेश्चन करें। तो गोडनिक क्वेश्चन व्हाट आर द मेजर लैंड फॉर्म्स तमिक आंसर मेजर लैंड फॉर्म्स और माउंटेन्स प्लीट्स एंड प्लेन्स। What doing question difference? What's the difference between mountain and a pleat? Mountain क्या गो तो pleat क्या गो? A mountain is any natural elevation of surface of earth. A pleat is an elevated flat land. It is considerably higher than the surrounding area. It is flat topped standing above the surrounding area. ठीक है ना? तो what is the difference? What are the different types of mountains? C part there are 3 different types of mountains: fold mountains, block mountains, and volcanic mountains. ठीक है बच्चों। तो D part में question 4 how are mountains useful to man? Mountain कित फूट इंसान सिंद खतर फायदेमंद। Mountains are useful to man in various ways. Mountains are storehouse of water. Mountains have a rich variety of flora and fauna. ठीक है कि वाटर की स्टोरेज बड़े बड़े कोहन पे ये स्टोर चूँकि शीन पे वारिया ज़्यादा ठंडी ते वारिया ज़्यादा वो वारिया बराबर वथिस अमुक आब मिला। और बजम पार्ट how are plains formed? When the river flow through mountains, slopes, erosions of mountains occur. The flowing river carries the eroded material like silt, clay, and stones. This leads to the formation of plains. ठीक है गोबरा ये plain के बारे में अतलुक when the rivers flow through the mountains, slopes, erosions of mountains occur. The flowing river carries upon such an eroded materials कम चीज like sex या clay या stone अमि सत plain form गसा। What are the why are river plains thickly populated? Population because river plains are thickly populated because of the fertility of the plains. Fertility very ज़्यादा ज़मीन वारिया ज़रखीज availability ज़्यादा तम मतलब तवज लोग prefer करा रोजन। But mountains thinly populated. Mountains are thinly populated because the climate is harsh and the mountains areas and the slopes are steep at the mountains and that reduce the land availability for farming. Because thinly populated climate harsh climate सख्त climate सर्द climate इंसान possible तिथ पे and slope steep farming crop farming plain area thinly populated population take the correct answer. The mountains differ from the hills in terms of elevation. Glaciers are found in mountain. The Deccan Plate is located at Kenya, Australia, India. The river Yogzata flows in South America, Australia, China, and its answer is China. An important mountain range in Europe is Europe with the Alps mountain is the important mountain range of Europe. Fill in the blank. A dash is an unbroken flat of land, level land. इसका आंसर है plain. दूसरी की जो है the Himalayan and the Alps are examples of fold types of mountains. Dash are rich, plates are rich in mineral deposits. The dash is a line of mountain. इसका आंसर है the range is a line of mountain. The dash areas are most productive for the plain areas product for farming के लिए सबसे बेहतर होता है plain area. ठीक है ना।